Hello everyone and welcome to another video on margin trading with Manvi, where we'll be covering everything you need to know to understand how to trade with margin. Today we are diving deep into the world of margin trading and exploring the technology and tools that can significantly enhance your trading experience. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, knowing the right platforms and tools is crucial to optimizing your profits and minimizing losses. Margin trading can be a powerful strategy, but it requires the right technology to execute effectively. So let's explore what tools are available, how they work, and why they are essential for successful margin trading. Before we get into specifics, let's talk about why technology is a game changer in margin trading. According to a 2023 Financial Trading Association poll, 92% of traders who incorporated the latest technology into their trading strategies reported better risk management and higher profitability. The reasons are clear. Technology offers efficiency, precision, real-time data, and improved risk management. When selecting a trading platform for margin trading, it's crucial to consider several key features that can significantly impact your trading success. Here's what you should look for. First, user-friendly interface. It's a platform with a clean, intuitive design and simple navigation. It minimizes errors and speeds up transaction execution. Studies show that platforms with user-friendly interfaces can boost trading volume by 27% because traders can make quick decisions without getting bogged down by complicated controls. Second, advanced research and analysis capabilities. They are platforms that provide comprehensive research tools such as technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and market sentiment indicators. These tools allow traders to conduct in-depth market analysis and make well-informed decisions. Traders using platforms with advanced research capabilities have 35% higher chance of outperforming those using simpler tools. Third, real-time market data and alerts. It gives access to up-to-date market information and instant alerts about price movements, market trends, and economic news. It enables traders to react quickly to market changes and seize opportunities as they arise. 80% of traders believe that real-time data is essential for making timely decisions in margin trading. Fourth, diverse asset availability. It's a wide range of assets such as stocks, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies available on the platform. It allows traders to diversify their portfolios, reducing risk. Platforms offering diverse asset choices contribute to a 25 to 30% reduction in overall trading risk, as traders can spread their investment across different asset classes. Fifth, advanced security features. They are robust security measures including two-factor authentication, encryption, and fraud detection systems. It protects traders' investments and personal information from cyber threats. With the cost of cybercrime expected to rise by 300% over the next 5 years, secure platforms are more critical than ever. Sixth, customer service and educational materials. They are platforms that provide extensive customer support and educational resources, such as tutorials, webinars, and articles. It helps traders resolve issues quickly and learn new strategies to enhance their trading skills. 67% of traders prefer platforms with comprehensive support and education. It empowers them to make better trading decisions. To truly excel in margin trading, you also need the right technical analysis tools. Here's what you should consider. A. Advanced charting capabilities. These tools allow you to visualize market trends, identify patterns, and make predictions based on historical data. B. Customizable indicators and tools. Tailor your trading experience by setting up indicators that align with your specific strategies. C. Real-time data and market updates. Stay informed with the latest market movements and economic news. D. Trend identification and analysis. Identify trends early and adjust your trading strategies accordingly. Lastly, E. Portfolio management and optimization. Tools that help you manage and optimize your portfolio for better returns and lower risk. Since margin trading involves a lot of risk, it is extremely important to thoroughly research the technology and tools you utilize while executing margin trades. So be sure to review all available tools, assess their pros and cons, and find your perfect fit before trading. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again for another video.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.